I'm Lindsay with InStyle, and I'm sure like all of you, I always struggle to make that perfect wave with the straightener. Thank God Frank Rizzieri is here to show us exactly how to do that. Super excited to get this done.
So am I.
Mine always looks like a crimp, but not really.
Okay. A few things. One is the iron that you pick. Okay, so this iron, it's rounded on the ends, so that'll avoid kinks or crimps in the hair.
Okay.
All right, and this particular iron has a set temperature to it. So it glides through the hair. You don't have to worry about burning your hair. So we're gonna get right in here, and we're gonna just take the hair on a diagonal. Take a little bit of a working spray.
After you put on that spray, do you have to have it completely dry before you put on the hot tool? Okay.
You start in the top and you go down, then underneath, then down, and then underneath.
And does it matter which direction you go first?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
But leave a little bit of a bend on the ends. So once you're done, you take a little bit of cream. Okay. You just want to then just work with your fingers and then just separate through the hair.
I feel like a movie star right now.
Well, you are a movie star.
Thank you. So guys, this is exactly the look that I was going for, and this is exactly how you're going to create those killer waves with just a simple straightener and feel like a movie star at home too.